everyone, my name is Sergeant Spitfire and welcome to my channel. This is a kind of a weird thing because I'm using a weird camera that doesn't have really good lighting, so I have a desk lamp right here to help me with lighting and stuff like that. And I have a package here. This is from a company called Anime Pop. I got this on Amazon, and I believe they also sell this figure on Amazon and on the Rooster Teeth store, but I got it from Amazon, and it's also probably on their website. I have the thing right here on my desktop, so I can get the description and everything from it. So I can go over here and be like description and what it comes with and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the package. It is I think it's called the furyu or Fury, the Fury Ruby Rose 6.3 inch figure. So yeah, I saw this and I'm going to pick that up. So here's the box. It's Ruby from volumes 1 through 3. And there's some Japanese on the back here. So yeah, I'm going to open it. So let me get my knife to cut the tape. Try not to ruin this box. Keep that up there just in case I need it. See, I need it one more time. And open it up. And yeah, I'm just going to slide this box out. It's in another box. Oh, I hit the light. Let me try to angle that better. And here's some instructions, I bet. Yeah, here's some instructions. I'm probably going to need, so I'll leave those right there. That box can go back here so I can be in the background with the candle. And here is, I know someone who's going to like this. Got some bubble wrap. Alright, I'm going to stop the recording. And then I'm going to put it on time lapse and put this together, and then we'll be back.
They see you as small and helpless. They see you as just a child. Surprised when they find out that a warrior will soon run wild. Prepare for your greatest moments. Prepare for your finest hour. The dream that you've always dreamed is suddenly about to flower. We are lightning, straight from the thunder. Miracle of ancient wonder. This will be the day we've waited for. This will be the day we open up the door. Evolution, hope you're ready for evolution. Welcome to a world of new solutions. Welcome to a world of bloody evolution. In time, hope and open mind. The story will be told, and victory is in a simple soul. They see you as small and helpless. They see you as just a child. Surprised when they find out that a warrior will soon run wild. Prepare for your greatest moments. Prepare for your finest hour. The dream that you've always dreamed is suddenly about to flower. We are lightning, straight from the thunder. Miracle of ancient wonder. This will be the day we've waited for. This will be the day we open up the door. Evolution, hope you're ready.
And I'm back. And I got it all together. It took me a little bit of time because this right here was like reverse and backwards, so that was a little bit hard. But this is it. It looks really nice. I might have to kind of zoom in and get more. I might take some photos afterwards, and on the on my porch or something and some daylight, so you guys can actually see the really nice detail, because you can't really see the detail well in here. Because, like I said, this camera doesn't have really good backlighting, but I really like it. It's bigger than I expected, and I think it will look really well on the shelf for when I do reactions again, which I'm probably going to do an update. I think a fingerprint. Going to be a fingerprint collect. I think I might have to clean that once in a while. Fingerprints, that's going to be a fingerprint magnet. Just like any solid. I have to clean that in a little bit. Dang it. But yeah, that's a really nice figure. So I'll leave links to where you can get it. I think you can get, I think where I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave the link to Amazon. Pop Anime, and I think you can also get this figure on the Rooster Teeth site. And if I can find those links, I'll link this all into my description. But as for this figure, it's a really, really, really nice figure, and I can't wait to put it on the shelf. And then I can't wait to get up and go outside and put this on the porch and take the pictures for you guys, because I think it would look really nice. So yeah, that's all. I just wanted to show you that I have it all together. It took me a little bit of time, which you'll see in the time lapse. And yeah, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this review / video thing, and on to the pictures. And see you guys in the next video. Peace the fuck out, and